Good morning, students. Now, today we are going to learn spatial operators. Spatial operators are the operators which help us to perform a specific function. Spatial operators are of four types: between, not between, in, not in, is not, and fourth is like. So, today we are going to discuss three: between, not between, is not, in and not in. So as you can see on the screen, I have made one table and here are columns: serial number, name, salary, zone, age, grade and department. So here first let me show you between. Between operator help us to select the values when we have a values in range. Suppose you want to see the salary of those employees whose salaries are between 30,000 and 35,000. So when we have these type of situations, when we have to show the or retrieve the data according to the range, so here we cannot make the use of relational or logical operators. So for these type of situations we make the use of between. So let's see, suppose I want to see the details or names of those employees who are getting salary between 30,000 and 35,000. So for this what you will write? Select. Suppose I want to see their names only. So I will put the column name from employee where salary between, see between लिखेंगे, then we put the first range, that is 30,000, and is also a keyword which is used with between. यहाँ पे जो and यूज हो रहा है, this is not a लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर. लेट मी टेल यू, बिटवीन के साथ भी हम एंड का कीवर्ड यूज करते हैं. तो दीज टू आर कीवर्ड्स विच आर यूज टू सेलेक्ट द रेंज. So between 30,000 and 35,000. Let me tell you, when we are talking about computers, so there is little bit difference. As in maths में क्या होता है कि अगर हम इस तरह की values को लेते हैं तो it does not consider the lower value and upper value, but in computer when we are working on database it considers both. So it will consider 30,000 also and 35,000 also. So it will show you the name of those employees, those who are getting salary between 30 and 35,000. So let me show you. See, it is showing you the name of Mukul, Kritika, Naveen, Nupur. So they are getting the salary between 30,000 and 35,000. If you are not able to understand, let me show you all the details. Then it will be more clear to you. See. So you can see Mukul getting 30,000. Its name is also displayed. Kritika 35,000, Naveen 32,000, Nipur 32,000. So in this way you have seen it also includes 35,000 and 30,000 and between that. So but if you don't want to see the name or details of those employees who are not getting salary, who are between 30 and 35,000, मीन्स आप इसके अपोजिट करना चाहते हो. अगर मैंने यहाँ पे नॉट ऑपरेटर का यूज़ कर दिया विद बिटवीन, तो इट विल नॉट शो यू द डिटेल्स ऑफ दोज एम्प्लॉयज़ हु आर गेटिंग सैलरी बिटवीन 30 and 35,000. नॉट जोड़ने से क्या होगा, व्हेन यू विल ऐड नॉट इट विल मेक अपोजिट of this. So it will not show you the name of these employees, those who are getting salary between 30 and 35,000. See, it is showing you the details of those employees, those who are getting salary not between 30 and 35,000. Except these, it is showing all the details. Uday getting 38, Moksh 37, Shelly 36 and Nupura 40,000. So in this way, and suppose you want to see a particular column only, You can write name, comma, salary, and suppose I want to see their zone also. Last time I have given some queries, so some of you have put and. Remember, whenever we are going to show the multiple columns, never make the use of and in these columns. Put comma. Okay, suppose I have shown you 3 columns, so I have written just by putting comma. So it will show you the details of those employees, those who are getting salary not between 30 and 35. See, it is showing the name, salary and so on. So in this way you have learned between and not between. Now I am going to make the use of in operator. Let me tell you, sometimes situation arises when we have multiple conditions, means more than 2, when we want to display the list. अब अगर आपको लिस्ट डिस्प्ले करनी है तो वी कैन नॉट मेक द यूज ऑफ और एंड ऑपरेटर, बिकॉज हियर और एंड ऑपरेटर फेल्स when we have to show the list. So here we make the use of in operator. Suppose I want to see the details of those employees who live in east, west and north. Now we want to see details about 3 zones. तो अब अगर आपको ऐसी कोई वैल्यू देखनी है तो it's not possible with select and or. Here we make the use of in operator. Suppose I want to see the details, means you want to see all the columns from employee where. Now we'll write the column on which we are going to implement the condition in. We will make the use of in operator, and you will put the values in quotes because these are string values or character values. So suppose I want to see east, west and north. So it's not case sensitive either, you can write in smaller caps as I told you. It's not case sensitive. See, so it will show you the details of only those employees, those who are living in these zones. See, east, west and north. So when we have to display the list, because if we have only 2 lists, so no issue, we can use with the and operator or operator. But if here we have more than that, so we are using in. So I hope please learn this syntax. In के साथ आप bracket में उन values को लिखोगे which you want to display, and if these are string values or character values, put them in quotes. Okay, अगर आपको suppose अब I have the not in operator, अगर आपको उन लोगों को देखना है, you want to see the details of those employees, those who do not live in east, west and north, means east, west और north में जो नहीं रहते हैं, so you want to see their details, so it will just give you the opposite result. See, so except east, west and north, it shows you other zones information. And if you want to select a particular column, it's your choice. You can write name. Suppose I just want to see name, zone, department. See, because it is showing you central and south only. So in this way you have learned in and not in. Now let me show you this table again. Here you can see in this table I have used null keyword. Today I am going to show you how we can retrieve those rows in which we have null value. तो null value की जब बात आती है तो इसमें is equal to का साइन यूज नहीं होगा. Let me tell you, it is a syntax. जब भी आपसे ऐसी values को retrieve करने को बोला जाए in which has null value, null means no value, so you always make the use of is keyword. Remember, there we cannot make the use of is equal to. So you can see there is one employee named Nupura. She has not any department number, not assigned any department number. So if I want to see the names of those employees who has no department, जिनका कोई department नहीं है, तो just write